Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have Ford 2012 5.0 liter. Okay, F150 XLT. This car have a check engine light on, and I believe we need to check that code and then to see what the requirement or the repair of it. So stay with us. I'm gonna use Ford FJ DRS and then see any pass-through device will work. Stay with us. Okay, here, but what I need to do is I'm gonna close this. This is another car I was working on it yesterday. Delete session. New session. Next. That's okay, you can choose anything. This is the car. Say yes. We're gonna wait a little bit. So yes. That's the VIN number. I'm gonna come here in the tools and go to self-test. All codes. You see the check engine light is on. Okay, you see here, everything passed. We have a code communication with the radio because they took it out. Okay, all this because they modified the radio. Now I'm gonna come here, air condition, intake damper position sensor, air intake damper position sensor, left rear inner sensor. Here is our problem, P0315. Okay. Now you need to go back here, go to powertrain, service function, misfire monitor natural profile correction, relay vehicle data. I need this one. First you have to do this. You wanna come? Hello? Yes. You wanna see it? Okay, here we're gonna go in this place. PCM replace, internal engine repair, crank sensor or trigger replacement when directed by TSB. Perform vehicle in park, air condition off, no power steering, engine at normal operating temperature. Misfire monitor is not enabled unless a valid misfire correction has been learned. So you cannot do the misfire. If the car have a misfire monitor, you cannot see it unless you relearn this. You see, nothing is not learning. Make sure the following initial apply: vehicle parking brake, transmission in park, engine temperature greater than 80. We're going to check if the temperature is not correct. Now you have to give gas. You see, now one more. 0. Now it's complete. Press next. Now I will go back. Relearn vehicle data. Let me see. Turn the key off. You see the check engine light disappear by itself. Click next. Ignition is off here. Ignition on. Procedure successful. And the ignition off. Now I'm gonna go to my DTC. This is my code. Erase. Ignition is on. I'm gonna erase it and read it again. Now I am reading the DTC again. If it's come back again, further diagnostic needs to be done. But for this particular car, P0315, I believe, right? It is for crankshaft railer on Ford. This is 5.0 liter. Okay, now if you notice here, PCM pass, so the code disappear, and I don't see it here. The car running fine. That's what it is. This is the code was before. Crankshaft position system variation not learned. Do not diagnose, but other than that we don't have nothing. P0315. It was here before, and I'm gonna go back here to see if that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. If this come back again, maybe other problem, but right now they change it, and anytime you change it, where is the old piece you change it? The sensor, where it is? It's right. Okay, so that's it now for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And thank you for visiting our channel. Muhammad Harun Idris.